Today is one of the happiest days of my life. I get to marry my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. You have given me more love and affection than I could have ever dreamed of. You help me become proud of the woman I am and help me embrace so many things that I never thought I would. I am more thankful than you'll ever know for everything that you've done for me, for us, and for our family. Thank you so much for embracing my boys as if they were your own, and for loving them with everything you have. I love watching how much you love our daughter, how you play with her, how much you care for her, and every little thing you do.
I think you made me realize that I was ready for a change. Every time we spoke, every time we interacted, I just felt this sense of warmth and protection from you. And I felt alive, like I felt like I wanted to change and do things. And you know, I've only known you for a few months at that point, but I knew that you were the one for me.
I'm just super happy that Mommy and Auntie are married now, and I'm happy that I'm
How's everyone doing tonight? All right, so I just want to first congratulate everybody, or congratulate you guys for coming here. Not everybody, I guess everybody. Thank you guys for coming here.
Way to make it over here.
All right, I just wanted to say that I'm really happy. Andy, you know, I got his new stepbrother.
Stepbrother. Hey, how much does this kid have to drink?
Congratulations to both of you. I'm so excited. Andy, I'm happy that you're part of our family now. You're there.
I'm here.
There. Not yet. Stop.
Something to say?
Yeah, I Googled it.
No, you're good. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh yeah. What was it?
I hope my speech is better than the one my son did. I didn't know I have a stepson, but now I know. But I actually take you as my son, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you are part of the family. I know that Diana is so happy. Since the first day she met you, I noticed that she was, like so happy. She found the love of her life. And I'm happy for her because I know she's going through a lot of hard stuff, And I'm so glad that she found you. You have a big heart. And I know you love those kids as your own. And I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you.
We're going to start off nice and easy. Out of you two, who is more romantic? Both of us shoot.
That's my baby! And now I have my beautiful Diana! And Adrian, who I told him if I was in 4th grade, I'd be writing him love notes. And he said, Grandma, you are gross. And Roman Tate, everyone's favorite. What a beautiful family we have. I do know where Addie is. She's on the side of the house by herself with a sharp stick.
She's right there.
Oh, there she is. Hi, baby. Thank you all for coming. We love you very much.
Thank you, stepbrother. First of all, I'd like to welcome Deanna, 2 beautiful boys here, and a beautiful granddaughter in Addison, wherever she may be. We're very fortunate to have Deanna in our family. Welcome you. It's amazing to have. I'm loving to see how happy you are to make Annie. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you all, everybody that has traveled from West Coast to East Coast. It means a lot to these two.
East Coast to West Coast. From the West Coast.
Everybody that's traveled from far come here today. So thank you all for being part of this family and being part of these friends. We love you all. So thank you.
For Ellie and Jose. Keep it going for Brittany and Josh. Let's get loud for Alyssa and Justin. Keep it going for Johnny. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, get super loud for your bride and groom. Give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Jacobs!
So this is my godson, and I love him to death. As my mother, God rest her soul, 5 years ago said, he's my guts.
Joey's got.
He's Joey's got.
Life lessons, my brother. Don't ever go to bed mad. If you have an argument, it's gone. Don't bring those bullets back. If you can't laugh when you're having sex, it's the wrong person, brother. God bless you.